Hi, my name is Pat Jones. I'm a program manager at the Lassonde Entrepreneur Institute. Welcome to the Lassonde Studios. Here we're in the Neeleman Hangar. It's the ground floor of the Lassonde Studios. It has 20,000 square feet of workshop space and collaboration space for students. It's the Center for Student Entrepreneurship and Innovation on campus. So here I'm in our company launch space. You'll notice behind me we have student offices. So student entrepreneurs and startup companies can actually apply each semester to have office space and join a cohort of other Lassonde or other company launch students to start their companies, have board meetings monthly, get additional support through attorneys, tax professionals, accountants, marketing professionals, just really give you a good support system for launching your business. So here I'm at our Lassonde front desk. We've got one of our student workers, Carter, here. It's a great resource for you to check out pretty much anything you need. So before you go and buy something, make sure to stop by the front desk to see if you can check it out. It's manned 24/7, so you will have a staff member or student staff available for you at all hours of the day. So here's the Miller Cafe. So this is our cafe in the Lassonde Studios. It's where our students are able to eat and work. It's open late night, so you can get chicken tenders later into the evening if that's what you want to do. It's also got made-to-order food along with accommodating lots of different diet types. So no matter your dietary restrictions or diet preferences, they can accommodate that for you with our full-time professional staff. So I'm standing here in our soft seating space and co-working area. You notice there's plenty of study and collaboration space for University of Utah students to take advantage of here on the first floor of the Lassonde Studios. We'll also have events throughout the year here in the space, like live music, workshops, and all sorts of different events. Welcome to our Makespace. I'm here with one of our student leaders, Tosh. I'm going to let him introduce himself and tell us a little bit about himself as well.
Hi, my name is Tosh Davis. I'm the director of the shop at Makespace. And the Makespace is just an area to basically prototype. It's a free resource at Lassonde, open to all University of Utah students. And you have access to 3D printers, laser cutters, sticker makers, welders, woodworking machines, and much, much more. It's a great place if you have ideas, but haven't had the resources to create those ideas. It's a great place to come here, and we'd be happy to help you get those ideas into the actual real world. Swing by, talk to someone in a green apron, and we'd be happy to help. So.
Excellent, thanks Tosh. One thing to keep in mind, we have a team of tool mentors here, like you'll notice Tosh in the green apron. So if you see one of our tool mentors, come up, talk to them, they'll help you use the space, they'll get you safety trained, everything you need. So we're going to do a quick walk around of the space and show you what we have here. So here's our tool room. Again, students can come by and check out tools for free for all their prototyping needs. We also have our prototyping room here that has 3D printers available for students to use, along with the Glowforge, and we do have a large format printer as well. You'll also notice in the back of the shop we have a full wood shop and metalworking shop too. We're going to head upstairs now to check out some of the residential spaces. Keep in mind, if you do live at Lassonde, you have access to all 4 different floors of residential makerspace, but you do have to live here to get upstairs. So we're here on our 5th floor. The theme of the 5th floor is our game and digital media floor. So you'll notice the posters behind me are actually video games that have been started by Lassonde students. And we also have many different game design companies who currently call Lassonde Studios home. So it's a great place to collaborate if you're a games student or interested in computer science or programming, anything like that. So again, this is our 5th floor. It's the games and digital media floor. You'll notice on each floor we go through, the layout will stay the same. The only thing that will change is the different design and furniture on each floor. So we'll go down and check out some of the other floors. So here we are on the 4th floor. We've got some of our current Lassonde residents here that we just saw stop by. So this is our outdoor adventures and gear floor. So the theme behind this floor is outdoor adventures and gear. Students do tend to reserve spaces on the floor that they most identify or are most interested in. So we don't have a specific selection process to live on each floor, but students are able to choose the floor that they live on when they go through and reserve. So again, the floors are built around the university's strengths. So this is the outdoor adventures and gear floor. So you know, University of Utah and the state of Utah has a strong outdoor economy. So this is where students that are interested in that area live. Each floor also has laundry that's included with the students' housing contract. So we'll go down and check out the third floor. So this is our third floor. The theme is product design and arts. So you notice the decor of the floor has changed a little bit, but again, all students have access to each floor. And we've got student rooms around the outside. So you notice our pod and loft communities are on this side of the space. And then we also have our single and double clusters over here on the other side of the building. Students will only have access to their specific living area, but you do have access to each floor. Our Lassonde 400 program does provide different speakers and dinners and things for each floor as well, so residents have access to those different events too. So we'll check out our last and final residential floor. That's the second floor, so come with me. Hey, Sydney. So this is the second floor. The theme of the second floor is global sustainability and impact, global impact and sustainability. I'm here with one of our current residents, Sydney. I'll let her tell you a little bit about herself and why she chose to live at Lassonde.
Hi, I am Sydney Myers. I am a business major here at the U, and I live at Lassonde.
Thanks, Sydney. Do you know, or can you tell a little bit like why you decided to live at Lassonde, what you like about this space, kind of why you're interested in living here?
Yes, I love Lassonde just because everybody is always doing something. There's all the support for your businesses and your ideas, and you're allowed to be as creative as you want.
Perfect. And then also talk a little bit about, I know you're able to get involved in our student leadership program, so just what you're doing currently with that, and yeah.
Yeah, I work with the Lassonde 400 team, and I work with the founders, so the students that have business ideas, and I work as a student leader with that.
Perfect, thanks Sydney. So again, we have over 100 different student leaders who run our programming, and it's a great way to get involved with the Lassonde Entrepreneur Institute. So thanks again, Sydney, and we hope to have you live with us, or at least drop by and visit the space. Thanks.